Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaini. I am from EH1103B. Today I'm going to explaining about fluid. There's two types of fluid. One is Newtonian fluid and one is non-Newtonian fluid. I will explain later what is Newtonian fluid and non-Newtonian fluid. What is Newtonian fluid? Newtonian fluid is fluid viscosity remains constant no matter the amount of shear applied. These fluids have a linear relationship between viscosity and shear.
Both oil and water are examples of Newtonian fluid. Both will act like liquid while it being applied either weak or strong force. If we put oil next to water, oil will move slower than water because it is more viscous than water. What about non-Newtonian fluids? You can probably guess that the non-Newtonian fluids are the opposite of the Newtonian fluids, which is the fluid when shear is applied to, the viscosity of the fluid changes. The behavior of the fluid can be described.
Dilatation is viscosity of the fluid increases when shear is applied. Meanwhile, the pseudoplastic is the opposite of dilatation. The more shear applied, the less viscous it becomes.
The graph shows the difference between Newtonian, pseudoplastic, and dilatant. Next is dilatant versus pseudoplastic. Dilatant is the fluid that when we apply weak force, it will behave like liquid. But when we apply strong force, it will behave solid-like. For pseudoplastic, when we apply weak force, it will behave like solid-like. But when we apply strong force, it will behave like liquid. Quicksand is an example of dilatant.
Right over it. Don't! See? No problem. Help! I'm sinking!
As we can see, the character applied strong force to the quicksand by jumping on it, and the quicksand behaved solid-like. But after that, the character stands still on the quicksand, thus exerting weak force to the quicksand. The quicksand then behaves like liquid and absorbs the character's body. Ketchup is an easy example of pseudoplastic. As you can see, the ketchup will behave like liquid when it been applied strong force, but when it been exerted weak force, the ketchup will behave solid-like.
That's all from me. I hope you guys can understand from the explanation that I've given before. Thank you and have a nice day.